Well, a new state mandate for hazmat teams requires crews to have a new piece of equipment. It costs about $125,000. Well, the VA health clinic there in Altoona is offering to help a local squad with this. Our Colleen Knutson spoke to the city fire chief about the new device and how it can help them in their field. She joins us now live to explain. Colleen?
John, Chief Heilman in Altoona tells me his team was getting ready to do their recertification, and then the state created this new mandate for a gas spectrometer, something even their entire budget couldn't cover. Then their partners at the VA Medical Center offered a hand. When Altoona's hazmat squad responds to a crisis, they can use gas meters, which can analyze what vapors are leaking automatically, and a wet chemistry set that requires the sample to be collected and tested away from the contaminated area. A process Chief Tim Heilman says is time-consuming in high-pressure situations. What they need is a gas spectrometer.
This piece of equipment will do everything we could do with that wet chemistry set, but automated in a computer that would be able to compare that to a database and give us an answer much quicker.
The State College hazmat team has a gas spectrometer, and they've been called to other situations, like an unknown white powder found at the Blair County Courthouse a few years ago that the Altoona squad couldn't identify because they didn't have the technology to quickly find out what it was.
Literally, the courts were in lockdown and the courthouse was in lockdown for a number of hours, where if we would have had this equipment readily on hand, it wouldn't have taken us more than a few minutes to identify it.
The Van Zandt VA Medical Center currently has a contract with the Altoona Fire Department to respond to their emergencies. When they heard about the team's need, they proposed buying the meter for themselves and allowing the hazmat team to use it, which would fulfill the state mandate.
They are stakeholders in the community, and that when something comes up like this and a need arises, they're willing to step up to the plate. They're here for the community also.
The VA Medical Center applied for an emergency management funding to buy that meter for the hazmat team and for themselves. And the earliest they'll find out if they get this funding will be early next month. In Altoona, I'm Colleen Knutson, WTAJ News.